In Stacking Up today, trader Mark Sebastian of Option Pit Mentoring joins me. And do you think the turmoil will continue in the stock market?
I think not. I think that we now have a big weight off of the American public. I think that we're going to see this fear and volatility balloon slowly deflate. And the S&P is probably going to be making its move back toward 2190 or 2200 over the next couple of weeks as we wait to see how a Trump cabinet forms. I think that's going to be a very important thing to watch. Who does Donald Trump pick for Secretary of State, Secretary of the Treasury, Secretary of Commerce? What does he have to say about Janet Yellen now that he's been elected? Those are going to be some very important things that I think the stock market is going to be watching.
So what do you do with your money? What's the trade here?
I like companies that have a lot of money overseas. Apple, Microsoft, I like the financials. Donald Trump's discussion of repatriating dollars to finance infrastructure projects makes a lot of sense. And so Apple being able to bring in a lot of dollars back, Microsoft bringing in a lot of dollars back, and it is potentially a really good thing for those companies. And then if you look at a Caterpillar, a John Deere, some of the construction, infrastructure projects, those could do really well because the plan, at best I can tell, is repatriate dollars on some low tax rate. There's $3 trillion out there, folks. 10% of that is $300 billion.
But it's if that really does happen.
If it could happen, well, let's not forget that it's not just a Trump presidency. It's a Republican House, a Republican Senate, and Paul Ryan, who is a smooth the tax code Republican, is going to be game to repatriate dollars.
So you really are playing politics and money.
I think that at least for the next couple of weeks, there is a trade there. Is it a long-term investment? I have to see, but is there a trade there? I think so.
And do you buy these stocks now?
I think that they look interesting for the next couple of days. Caterpillar does not have the nicest chart. That chart's looking a lot better after yesterday, and I think there's some continued upside there.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me, Angela.